Super comfortable spinal massage tutorial for family members who sit for long periods or are fatigued. Basic version. Do 10 to 20 repetitions of each exercise. Step 1. Thumb inch push along the spine. Step 2. Straight thumb push down spine and both sides. Step 3. Thumbs separately push down both sides of spine. Step 4. Thumbs press down on both sides of spine. Step 5. Thumbs cross and knead the spine. Step 6. Use webbing between thumb and index finger to scrub lower back. Advanced version. Do 10 to 20 repetitions of each exercise. Step 1. Straight thumb push along lumbar spine. Step 2. Reinforce straight thumb push. Step 3. Straight push left bladder meridian. Step 4. Straight push right bladder meridian. Step 5. Reinforce straight thumb push. Step 6. Cross pushing, bottom to top, then top to bottom. Step 7. Thumb pad separately push both sides of lumbar spine. Step 8. Fist pushes bottom to top. Step 9. Scrub lower back with thumb webbing. Step 10. Palm knead lower back. Step 11. Push and pull bilateral meridians. Step 12. Tai Chi style soothing and relaxing lower back.